Hello, my name's Athena Winter Serapio.
Hi, my name is Renee Dunca, and we're from Team North.
I'm Francis Talion, team captain of Team North.
The best part that we got like 4 up, and then the rest we got a lot more up points also.
And my driver is kind of better than yesterday, and my putting is better.
I think they've been consistent with their pairings, and I think they really trust their formula from day one. Kaya medyo in-expect na namin na konti lang yung changes. Well, as a team captain, I always expect my team to win kahit na alam naming mahirap. Well, this is golf, so hindi natin masabi, hindi guaranteed until hindi matatapos yung rounds. Pero we're confident. Well, ibang battlefield na ulit yung single matches. Pero I think the confidence boost from our win yesterday would create and build more confidence to our players. So, tingin ko, kaya namin to.
We did teamwork, we talked, and when somebody became sad, she's always the one who's cheering me up.
Did you cry?
Yeah, sometimes. And don't make me sing that anymore.
Nung first day since team play siya, tingin ko, kinonsider namin din yung personality. But for tomorrow, since singles siya, I think confidence na talaga yung titingnan ko sa mga players. Sino yung matibay ang dibdib para itapat doon sa ilalaban ng South sa amin.
We'll focus more in our game.
And if someone makes a bad shot, don't blame them.
Well, always confident, 100%, but I always tell them na grounded lagi. Since hindi naman iba yung South, pare-pareho tayong golfers from the Philippines. So, kailangan respect pa rin. Pero huwag mawawala yung confidence.